The reason why you must go no contact if you are dealing with a pathologically narcissistic personality is because you cannot grow with them. You are dealing with a personality type that is destructive. So you will see where narcissists don't like peace. They love chaos, they love drama, they love lies, they love connivery. You cannot grow with a personality type like that because they are against growing. So understand that you are dealing with someone that has severe psychological arrested development. That is the personality disorder. So they have a compromise at the level of their mind, their will, and their emotions. So don't expect them to behave like sane, stable people. They're not sane, stable people. They have arrested development. They are missing elements. And this is why they behave so strangely. This is why they don't make sense. And they don't make sense because they did not develop to the level of rational awareness. They are stuck in the third dimension, and every single day a pathological narcissist wakes up, they're in shame, a state of self-loathing, but they run from the shame and eventually they get to pride. Dysfunctional pride, which is not confidence, it's actually grandiosity. So they're based in shame, meaning that you're dealing with someone with very low self-esteem, because pathological shame is a type of self-hatred, so they don't really like themselves. And someone that doesn't like themselves, well, they cannot love other people. And they wrap this self-loathing nature up in their dysfunctional pride, which means that they believe that they are right, and if they're right, then you are wrong. And this is why pride comes right before the fall, and they'll fall right back down to shame to go through another shame-pride cycle because they have arrested development. They are missing elements. You're dealing with unripened fruits. Just like unripened fruits on a tree. Those fruits are missing elements. That is why they taste so off. And that is why pathological narcissists act strangely. So know that you cannot build with a destructive personality type. If you are looking for people to build with, these people must be able to access the fourth dimension or higher. In the fourth dimension or higher is where you find camaraderie, right? Collaboration, people working together on a common mission, on a common goal. So you find at the bottom of the consciousness ladder are victims and abusers, masters and slaves, serial cheaters, serial abusers. You'll find low vibrational beings behaving in a low vibrational manner. That is what you'll find at the bottom of the consciousness ladder, and pathological narcissists exist at the bottom of the consciousness ladder. But you have the ability to ascend. You can get the courage to walk away and stay away. You have that ability. Pathological narcissists do not, because they have arrested development. They top out at pride. That is all she wrote.